Hi, future teacher, and welcome to our Elementary Education K-660 Subtest 3 mini practice test. Check your readiness for test day before watching this video by taking the free practice test using the link in the description below. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question 1. Which of the following characteristics is exclusive to living things? A. Ability to conduct electricity. B. Response to environmental changes. C. Composed of atoms and molecules. D. Maintains a constant temperature. I'll give you a few seconds to answer, or you can pause if you need more time. The correct answer for number 1 is B. Response to environmental changes. 2. To analyze the composition of distant stars, which scientific device would be best suitable? A. Telescope with a spectrometer. B. Barometer with a pressure sensor. C. Anemometer with a wind gauge. D. Hygrometer with a moisture detector. The correct answer is A. Telescope with a spectrometer. Question 3. To show students how light refracts differently through various materials, which tool would be most effective? A. Calorimeter. B. Prism. C. Voltmeter. D. Stopwatch. The correct answer is B. Prism. Moving on. Which scenario best describes how a new species of bird could evolve due to specific environmental changes? A. Birds' feather colors brighten as they are washed in rainwater more frequently. B. Birds sing louder each year to celebrate the start of spring. C. Birds migrate shorter distances because of mild winters becoming more common. D. Birds develop stronger beaks to feed on tougher seeds. The correct answer is D. Birds develop stronger beaks to feed on tougher seeds.
Oh hey, future teacher, if you are finding this free mini practice test helpful, click the link in the description below to get instant access to the full-length version.
That's right. You might want to check that out later. But hey, let's move on to question 5. X plus oxygen is carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. In the simplified equation for cellular respiration shown above, X represents A. Carbon dioxide. B. Water. C. Glucose. D. Oxygen. The correct answer is C. Glucose. 6th. After a lesson on plant growth, the 3rd grade teacher has students plant seeds and track their growth over several weeks. Which scientific concept is best represented in this activity? A. Conservation of mass and energy. B. Properties of solids, liquids, and gases. C. Observational skills and data recording. D. Organization and prediction. The correct answer is C. Observational skills and data recording. On to number 7. Before conducting a science unit on ecosystems that involves multiple outdoor field trips, what is the essential first step an elementary school teacher should take? A. Informing students and parents about the field trip details. B. Scheduling the dates and locations for the field trips. C. Preparing educational materials and activities for the field trips. D. Ensuring the field trip locations are safe and accessible for all. The correct answer is D. Ensuring the field trip locations are safe and accessible for all. Number 8. What is the primary role of decomposers in the cycle of an ecosystem? A. Producing oxygen and sustaining plant life. B. Capturing energy from the sun and storing it chemically. C. Breaking down dead material and recycling nutrients. D. Consuming living plants and animals and maintaining population control. The correct answer for this question is C. Breaking down dead material and recycling nutrients. Question 9. Which ecological interaction involves 2 or more species living closely together, often benefiting each other? A. Predation. B. Amensalism. C. Symbiosis. D. Herbivory. The correct answer is C. Symbiosis. And on to our 10th and last question. When conducting an experiment to determine the density of various solid materials, which tool is most appropriate for a 6th grade science class? A. A barometer for measuring atmospheric pressure. B. A protractor for measuring angles. C. A balance scale for measuring mass. D. A voltmeter for measuring electrical potential. The correct answer is C, a balance scale for measuring mass. All right, how many points did you get? Want the full version of our online, timed elementary education K660 practice test? Click the link in the description below or visit us at teacherpreps.com.